If your Galaxy Watch 8 backup restore is not working, the issue is often related to connectivity, app glitches, or a problem with the backup itself. The most reliable fix involves unpairing and resetting the watch, then immediately repairing and restoring the backup. These are the initial troubleshooting steps I can share with you. First is to ensure both your phone and watch are well charged above 15% and have a strong, stable Wi Fi or mobile data connection. Next is to restart both your Galaxy Watch 8 and the paired phone. Aside from that, you can turn Bluetooth and Wi Fi off and then on again on both devices to refresh the connection and verify you have enough space in your Samsung Cloud account for the backup account. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily as it can interfere with the connection and the backup or the restore process. And lastly is to ensure that the Galaxy Wearable application and all related software on your phone and watch are up to date or updated. And that's how you can fix the restore backup not working on Galaxy Watch 8. And thank you for listening.